Hey, in this video, I want to go over the settings that you need in order to set up a developer or another user on your Lyrical Host account. So once you're logged in, you're going to go over to your name and click on User Management. This is a new feature that they've added. So it's not it was not there before. So what you want to do is add the email of the person that you want to add. So we'll just put a temporary one here, if I could spell. And then you want to choose permissions. So you can look at all the permissions that there are in order for example, me, Techie Mama, to do the work that I would need to do. You would want to give me at least the following permissions. So view product and services, view and modify product passwords. I know this is odd, but it's what makes the single sign-on work. Perform single sign-on, view domains, manage domain settings, and view and open support tickets if you would like me to open a support ticket on your behalf. Sometimes it's easier for me to talk to support than it is for you to directly talk to them, but that is completely up to you. If you do not want me to view your support tickets, then you can totally uncheck that. Everything else I should not need access to, but you are more than welcome to give me access to whatever you feel comfortable with. So the most important five things are right here in the middle. View products, view and modify product passwords, perform single sign-on, view domains, manage domain settings, and then this one is very helpful if it's possible. So that's a quick overview. You invite the person, choose the permissions. Again, we're gonna do the ones here at the top. Um, so view products and services, view and modify product passwords, perform single sign-on, view domain and manage domain settings. And then the super helpful one is view and open support tickets. If you have any questions, feel free to comment below or let me know. Thanks.